kids, good morning everyone, and let us start the day. And today we are going to have a beautiful poem, that is the story of a plant. Actually the story of a plant is really something very special, I can say, because it also shows the growth of human also, the growth of plant also, and I really appreciate the story and the poem which is there in our book, and I appreciate this is something very wonderful which we are going to learn today. So let us learn and let us see the book, and in the book you can see the pictures. First picture, in this picture you can see the child is sitting. Yes, as I have said, the child is keeping one eye open and one eye closed. Okay, so why he is doing like so? Because the heart is saying that he has to see the, the germination of a seed. Growth कैसे होता है वो उसे देखना है, but mind कहता है नहीं देखना है. But here the child can see the growth over here in the seed. Then sprouts are coming. Sprout यानी मम्मी यूज करती है the sprouted moong, the sprouted chana, and yes, with the help of sprouts are something very really healthy and protein rich food which we all have to eat also. तो यहाँ पे एक्चुअली स्प्राउट यानी क्या है, वो प्लांट है उससे थोड़ा थोड़ा उगकर बाहर आ रहा है, एंड दैट इज हियर व्हाट सेड. एंड एट लास्ट यू कैन सी द चाइल्ड इज वेरी हैप्पी एंड ही इज स्माइलिंग, द शाइनी एंड द ब्राइट टीथ वी कैन सी, एंड यस ही इज कीपिंग अ स्माइल, अ लाउड स्माइल. एक बड़ा सा स्माइल उसके मुंह पर है ना, तो वो बहुत खुश हो रहा है आफ्टर सीइंग द ग्रोथ. So let us say the story of a plant. Let us do together. Look at me, I am a little seed. Look at me, I am a little seed. Under the soil, I have all I need. Under the soil, I have all I need. Slowly, I start to sprout. Slowly, I start to sprout. Spreading tiny leaves in and out, spreading tiny leaves in and out. Look at me, I am a plant now. Look at me, I am a plant now. Spreading my leaves, I look so wow. Spreading my leaves, I look so wow. And now children, we are going to have this phonic book. So let us see the phonic book also, and yes, we are going to start with the 2-letter words. 2-letter words हम लिखने वाले हैं. So let us write the date. डेट लिखेंगे आज का. Today's date is 4 January 2022. पेज 15 हम करने वाले हैं. Yes, so let us do. First लिखा है, the first one is, I am going to read from here. 2-letter sight words, that is I and U. जहाँ जहाँ I है वहाँ आपको ग्रीन शेड करना है, एंड जहाँ जहाँ U है वहाँ आपको रेड शेड करना है. ओके, सो दिस इज फॉर होमवर्क, एज आई हैव सेड इन ऑनलाइन क्लास ऑल्सो. ये आप होमवर्क करोगे और फिर ये लिखना है is. is and yes बोल के हम लिखेंगे is. इसको ई पढ़ना है, इसको पढ़ना है, इज का मतलब होता है वो हेल्प करता है हमको सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए। इन यानी अंदर, इन का मतलब होता है अंदर। अस, यस, and स, us, and स, us, and स, us, if, and if यानी अगर, it, and it, और लास्ट वर्ड है अप यानी ऊपर, अप यानी ऊपर। Yes kids, you have to write in the homework also. Till the time, tata and bye bye.